Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Nilam Cahya, NPM 22411-210. I'm from Technocrat Indonesia University, majoring in the management. I will explain one of the materials in the internal audit course. Please pay close attention to my explanation. Ethics and standard of the internal audit profession. Definition of internal audit professional ethics. Internal audit professional ethics is a set of moral principles and values that guide internal auditors in carrying out their duties professionally, honestly, and responsibly. In the context of internal audit, ethics are crucial because 1. Auditors have access to sensitive organizational information, financial, operational strategy. 2. Auditors are required to provide honest and objective assessment without pressure from any party. 3. Ethics ensures that auditors do not abuse their authority for personal gain or for the benefit of others. Ethics provide a moral foundation for auditors to be impartial, not disclose information carelessly, always act professionally. Internal Auditor Code of Ethics. IIA, the Institute of Internal Auditors. IIA is an international body that developed the Code of Ethics for internal auditors. This Code of Ethics regulates auditor behavior that ensure professionalism and integrity. The following are the 4 basic principles of the IIA Code of Ethics. 1. Integrity. Auditors must be honest, responsible, and trustworthy. They must not conceal errors or facts that are detrimental to the organization. They must refuse bribes, gratuity, or action that discredit the profession. For example, an auditor must not conceal finding of financial losses simply because a manager requests it. 2. Objectivity. Auditors must make judgments based on facts, not the influence of others. They must be free from conflict of interest. For example, if an auditor audits the department where a relative works, bias can arise. They must be avoided. 3. Confidentiality. Audit information must not be disseminated arbitrarily. It must only be disclosed to authorized parties and in accordance with organizational policy. Example, auditor must not leak audit results to the media or the company competitors. 4. Competence. Auditors must have adequate skill and knowledge. They must undergo ongoing training to improve their skill. Example, auditors who audit IT system must have knowledge of information technology. Internal Audit Professional Standard (IIA). Their standards are outlined in the International Professional Practice Framework (IPPF) developed by the IIA. These standards ensure that internal audits are conducted systematically, efficiently, and with high quality. The standards are divided into 2 main groups. 1. Attribute standard describe the basic characteristics that the internal audit function and its auditors must process. A. Independence and objectivity. The audit function must be external to the operational structure being audited. Auditor must not have direct responsibility for the activity being audited. The goal is for auditor to be impartial and independent in their judgments. B. Professional proficiency and attitude. Auditor must possess technical and ethical competence, must understand risk, internal control, accounting, IT, attention. C. Management of the internal audit function. Internal audit must have an internal audit charter and annual work plan and reporting to the audit board or audit committee. 2. Performance standard. Regulate efficient and effective audit procedure. Audit assessment planning. The auditor must identify the audit objectives, scope, and potential risks. Create a clear and structured work program. B. Audit implementation. The auditor must gather sufficient and relevant evidence, conduct interviews, observation, and document examination. C. Communicating audit result. The audit report must be prepared carefully, concisely, accurately, and in a timely manner. It must be submitted to management and the audit committee. The audit process monitoring. The internal audit function must be evaluated periodically by both internal and external parties. Quality assurance. The importance of ethics and professional standards in internal audit. Increasing trust. Stakeholders will have greater confidence in audit results conducted with good ethics and standards. 2. Maintaining auditor credibility. Auditors are valued for their professionalism and neutrality. 3. Avoiding legal violations. Ethical violations can have legal consequences such as information leaks or report manipulation. Ensuring audit quality standard. Provide a clear and consistent framework enabling audit results to be compared and accounted for. Example of internal auditor ethics violations case. An auditor is asked by the financial manager not to report finding about misappropriation in order to mention the company image. Violation that occurred. 1. Integrity. The auditor is dishonest in reporting. 2. Objectivity. Such can be to management pressure. 3. Confidentiality. If the auditor lacks resort to the media. Competence. If the auditor does not understand the legal implication of their action. Conclusion. Ethics and professional standards in internal auditing are two important pillars in maintaining the integrity, objectivity, and effectiveness of audit implementation. Internal auditor who adhere to the code of ethics and professional standards will be able to 1. Be a strategic partner to the organization. 2. Provide audit value. 3. Maintain good governance and internal control. That concludes my explanation. I apologize for any intentional or unintentional errors in my words and behavior. I hope the video, if explained, is helpful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.